Day, I am Hannah Jane A. Manlincoln. I am currently a working student taking up a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Pilma University of Pangasinan. I also have 5 years of experience working as a utility worker, where I develop my skills in cleaning, sanitation, and maintaining an organized environment. During my experience, I learned how to be responsible, hardworking, and detail oriented. I also learned how to manage my time between work and studies, which helped me become more disciplined. I choose hospitality because I enjoy serving people and making them feel comfortable and satisfied. I believe that simple actions like doing polite, helpful, and attentive can make a big difference in a guest experience. That is why I am passionate about working in this industry because it allows me to grow while helping others. My greatest strengths are my strong work ethic, reliable, and attention to detail. In my previous work, I made sure that all assigned areas were properly cleaned and organized according to standards. I also work well under pressure, especially during busy times, and I can cooperate well with my team to finish tasks efficiently. Another strength is my ability to manage my time. Since I am a working student, I can balance responsibilities and still deliver quality work. And my weakness, I sometimes focus too much on making my work perfect, which can take more time than expected. However, I am improving my learning how to balance speed and quality. I remind myself to follow the required time while still maintaining good results. If a guest complains about slow service, I would first listen carefully and politely to understand their concern. Uh, I would apologize sincerely for the inconvenience and thank them for bringing it to my attention. After that, I would take immediate action by checking the status of their request or order and coordinate with my team to speed up the service. I would also update the guests so they feel acknowledged and informed. So, if the situation needs further assistance, I would inform my supervisor to ensure the concern is properly handled. So, my goal is to solve the problem quickly and make sure the guest is leaves satisfied. Ethics and professionalism are very important in hospitality, especially when dealing with guests. So, for example, is if a guest complains or is upset, it is important to stay calm, respectful, and professional at all times. Even if the situation is stressful, I should not argue or show negative emotions. Instead, I should listen, understand, and respond properly. Also, honesty is important. If there's a mistake, I should admit it and help find a solution. So by showing professionalism and good attitude, we can maintain the trust of the guest and protect the reputation of the company. You should hire me because I am hardworking, reliable, and willing to learn. I have experience in maintaining cleanliness and providing good service, and I am trained with NC2 certifications in cookery, food and beverage services, and housekeeping. I can work well both independently and as a part of a team. I am also flexible and can adapt to different tasks and situations. As a working student, I have developed discipline, time management, and dedication. And most importantly, I am committed to giving my best in every task and contributing positively to your company. I am eager to learn more and grow in the hospitality industry.